Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a super shiny, super silky, super smooth, delicious chocolate ganache. It's only going to be 2 ingredients and it's going to be the easiest thing you make all day. So I'll go ahead, stop rambling on, I won't talk your ear off. I'll throw a link to the recipe down below and grab a bowl, and to that we're going to go ahead and just dive right in by adding in our chocolate chips. Now there's lots of different methods for making your chocolate ganache. Me, I find the easiest and the simplest and the most practical way to really just heat up that heavy cream in a measuring cup, don't do that, that'll melt. In a glass measuring cup in the microwave for a good minute and a half, giving a stir every 30 seconds until it really starts to boil and get nice and foamy. Then you just go ahead and pour your heavy cream over your chocolate chips. Let it hang out for a good minute, and after that you just want to go ahead and whisk and whisk and whisk until you have a nice, shiny, silky smooth, perfect, delicious chocolate ganache. That's it. I told you, super easy, super quick. It's gonna be super delicious. Definitely let me know what you think down below in the comments if you make your own yummy chocolate ganache and what you plan on using it for. But that's all I have for you today. I told you, it's quick. That was, what, like 2 minutes? I mean, I can talk if you want. We can powwow. I won't do that to you. Maybe next time. But until then, I will see you all tomorrow for another delicious, yummy, oh so good recipe. I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I'm gonna go probably pour this over some ice cream and hang out and relax. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.